From snowy New Era Field in Buffalo, New York, it's the NFL on CBS as we get you set for the Colts and the Bills. Today's game being broadcast in Spanish, where available using the SAP button on your television. The kickoff is next on CBS. Well, Steve Tasker is someone who knows these conditions very well. He's working the sidelines for us, and we go downstairs to him right now. Steve?
I cannot believe you talked me into doing this. I'm clearing off this stuff with a snow shovel. It's hard to imagine a beginning to a career as catastrophic as Nate Peterman's was in L.A., a 5 interception. You know he wants to get redemption for that in this first home start, but look at the conditions he has to work with. I will say this, since 1986, I've watched games here. I've never seen a game with worse conditions in Buffalo than the one they're about to play. But it did look like a bunch of 300-pound 6-year-olds coming down the tunnel as the Buffalo Bills are totally embracing this opportunity. Sparrow?
Timeout, think about it, as they were all discombobulated defensively. Now, just as they do that, you see some of the grounds crew here quickly come out with the shovels and the snow blowers to try to get the yard lines a little bit more visible. I mean, this is just a wild scene in Buffalo. It is snowing in our booth. It's incredible from everyone's vantage point. I've got the few places where Vinatieri has struggled. He's only 11 of 20 in his career in Buffalo. This will be a 33-yard attempt. The long snapper is Luke Rhodes, and Rigoberto Sanchez is the holder. That's the only angle that we can show you that there would be any visibility, and Vinatieri misses it. Still scoreless in a blizzard in Buffalo. Sunday, noon Eastern, right here on CBS. Steve Tasker told us it was about a half foot of snow on the field earlier, and this is McCoy leapfrogging a defender. Incredible play by McCoy in the snow. Finally forced out of bounds after a pickup of 22.
Well, Jordan Mills, number 79, the right tackle, gets the key block, and then it's McCoy doing it on his own. A beautiful little hurdle out there. A really good block on the outside from his wide receiver, Deontay Thompson. Left.
It was Kenny Moore, the man who McCoy jumped over on a remarkable run. And here's McCoy again. Shady in the open field. And finally tackled inside Indianapolis territory by Darius Butler as McCoy gashes him for 25 more yards.
Yep. You know, 3rd down and 6. It was a wasted down, in my opinion, for the Bills.
This is where that game management's so critical. And Sean McDermott looks on. Peterman to the airs as he finds Benjamin. And he is inbound, say the officials.
This is what they've been missing in their offense. A guy that can catch the ball while covered. Because of that frame, needed that throw. You know, hasn't had a chance to really show his stuff, but when they needed it, kind of get some confidence back that he lost against the Chargers, that was a big-time throw for the young quarterback.
Bills have to be careful here. No timeouts. Peterman to the end zone. It's caught by Benjamin. Touchdown. And suddenly this Buffalo offense coming alive as Peterman and Benjamin find their chemistry.
And Peterman, well, you can see right there, Chris Melton just does not have a chance. In terrible position. Again, put it up there where only Benjamin can get the ball, and what a beautiful drive. Started off by McCoy and finished with Benjamin and Peterman.
Benjamin acquired in that Halloween trade with Carolina. Pick for the Bills touchdown. This is Steven Hauschka now on for the point after. And certainly no certainties in this kind of a weather. Reed Ferguson, the long snapper. Colton Schmidt, their punter, is the holder, and Hauschka is good to tack on the extra point.
Good.
On 1st and 10, Brissett play action after faking to Gore. Sidesteps the sacker, and then he's brought down. Tripped up right around the legs. A fantastic defensive play by Ryan Davis. Buffalo. The Bills from their own 39. Webb. Boy, Sheard nearly getting there. Webb has a man. It is caught. Deontay Thompson with an incredible catch. Late flag is thrown. It's a 35-yard play if it stands.
This was incredible. Late separation from Thompson. Beautiful ball from Joe Webb. And look at that concentration falling down in the snow. Boy, that one was big, and what a play.
As the Bills line up for 3rd and 4 here, with Webb under center. Here's McCoy, breaking a tackle. McCoy into the end zone, and Buffalo wins it. Incredible. Shady McCoy stopping the show with a 21-yard sprint.
Boy, Richie incognito on this play. The left guard, a thing of beauty. When you see number 64 on the right side, the combination block, and then get up on that linebacker, Antonio Morrison, one-on-one, Shady McCoy against Matthias Farley. Not gonna happen. You get a bad angle by TJ Green. And LaShawn McCoy ices this game and puts it away for the Buffalo Bills. Unbelievable run. And that's the way you close it out.
LaShawn McCoy, a new career high, 32 rushing attempts, 156 yards, and the 21-yard game winner to send the Bills to the overtime win.